This is the first step of your individual assignment. You have to choose one company from Bangladesh that is listed in Dhaka Stock Exchange. Then enter some information about the chosen company in the given worksheet and wait for the approval. If you get the approval, then in the next stage, you will have to download the financial statements of the company and enter the key financial information in a given Excel worksheet. So that will come later. Now let us focus on the first step, choosing the appropriate company for doing your assignment. To do that, you have to go to the Dhaka Stock Exchange website first. So if you do not know the web address, what you can do, you can just type or search in the Google DAC Dhaka Stock Exchange, DAC for Dhaka Stock Exchange, BD. That will be sufficient. So you can see the first result shows the website of Dhaka Stock Exchange. So click here, or you can directly type www.dacbd.org. So to choose the company, at first we have to look at the companies listed in the Dhaka Stock Exchange. For that purpose, click on Companies Securities Info and then click on Listed Companies Securities. Then you will get all the companies that are currently listed in Dhaka Stock Exchange. Okay, all are arranged alphabetically. To give you an example, just let me choose Bongos Limited. Click on the name of the company and you will find the detailed information about the company, the summary information about the company in fact. So after you reach this place, then go to ELMS and look for individual assignment section, and under that you will find this link. Step 2, enter the information about the chosen company here for approval. So as I have told you, when you choose the company, make sure that the company is not in the bank or financial institutions sector, and also look for the category, market category of the company in this page. If you find that it is an A category company, then you are good to go. Also try to choose manufacturing company or merchandising company. That means avoid the service company. What you will do now, in the ELMS, under individual assignment, click on this link, enter the information about the chosen company here for approval. If you click here, right click, open in new tab, or what you can do, you can just right click and copy link address and then paste it in a browser to get this worksheet. That will not be a problem. So let's say, just for an example, let's say my name is the first person. Okay, I'm Mohammad Ilyas Hussain. So what I will do, I will copy the company name from the website. So you can see the name is here, Bongos Limited. Copy from here and then paste here. Okay, just paste values only, otherwise it will bring all the colors and other things. Okay, then industry, again go there and see the sector of the company. You can see here the sector is food and allied. Just copy it, do not type, copy it, then paste here, paste special, paste values only. Okay, and then market category, again look at and scroll down and see the market category of the company. You can see it is A. Okay, so you can simply type A. Listing year, that is also available here. Okay, you can see listing year is 1984. So this is the year when the company was listed in the Dhaka Stock Exchange. So I'm pasting values only. Now the web address is also here. You can see here, just copy the web address and click and paste here, again values only. Then year end date, that is also available in this page. You will see, if you scroll up, you can see year end is 30 June, that means 30th of June. So just start with a single quotation, then type June 30. Okay, then it will show you the date of the year end. Okay, now closing share price on year end date, that is a bit tricky. How can you find that? So closing share price on, actually it is last year end date. Okay, last year end date, because we don't want the closing price of 2010 for example. Okay, we just want what was the closing price on June 30th, the last June 30th. So what you have to do, go to the basic information and you can see an option to see the closing price graph. So under basic information, you can click on select option and then click 1 year, so that you have a graph of at least 1 year period of time. So you can see June 30. So now it is whatever date, go back to June 30. You can see the date here. Okay, wherever you go, you will see the date here. So 30th June, it is 2020. So let us go to 30th June. That means 36. Month will be 6. Okay, now that is 30th of June. But if the 30th of June is the weekend, then what we will have to do, we will have to take the previous day. For example, if 30th June is Friday, then probably you will have to take 29th of June. Okay, so you can see the price is clearly here. It is 116.9. Okay, it is 116.9 on the 30th of June, 116.9. So what we have to do, we have to click on this cell and then type 116.9. That is the closing share price on the last year end date. Okay, I hope that you have understood how you can get the price on the last year end date. So the next one is total number of outstanding share. Okay, if you go there, and I will see the total number of outstanding share under basic information. So copy this one. Make sure that you copy the whole number. Okay, do not make any mistake, and just click paste values only. Then years of right issues. Let's look at the dividend. You can see cash dividend, bonus issue, right issue. So you can see not applicable. That means there was no right issue at all. So just copy that information, not applicable. But if you see that there were some right issues in 2019, 2018, 2015, then copy the years from here and then paste it here. So because it doesn't have any right issue, so I'm just pasting not applicable. That will be sufficient. Now percentage share holding on year end date by sponsor director, government, institute, foreign and public. So this is found, if you scroll down, you will find here. Okay, the shareholding percentage. Now you can see several dates, January 31st, February 29. Okay, don't take those. You already know that June 30 is the year end. Okay, so on that date, what is the percentage shareholding of the sponsor director? It is 31.58. So just click here and paste 31.58, paste values only. Now again, government 0. So you can just type, no point of copying that. Institute 5.43 values only. We don't want to mess with the different kind of formatting. Foreign is 0 and public is 62.99. So foreign 0% and public 62.99 values only. Now what we need the link to download the financial statement. So for that, what we have to do, we have to actually find where the income statement and balance sheets are located. So go to the web address that is given here. right click and open in new tab. Then you will be able to go to the company website. Since the page is not loading, instead of looking for the financial statements in other pages, let us decide to avoid this company. Okay, so what we can do in this case, we can choose another company. Okay, now let me go to the companies list again and find another company. Let us consider Square Textile. Okay, Square Textile. So I'm not going to repeat the whole thing again. Okay, let's say we have already entered all the information as we have done for Bongos Limited. Okay, as we have done, you follow the same process, okay, as you have done for Bongos Limited. Now only thing is you have to go to the web address of the chosen company, then look for financial statement or investor relationship or shareholder relationship. Okay, there will be some kind of link here. Okay, so the Square Textile has given the link directly as financial statement. So go to financial statement and go through the links. That is the annual report. You can actually choose the annual report of 2018-19 because that is the latest here. Okay, so if you go there, do not go for half yearly or quarterly financial statement. Okay, go for annual report or annual financial statement. So if you click here, you will be able to download the annual financial statements. As you can see, it is already being downloaded. Let us wait for the download to be completed. Only 2 seconds remaining. Hopefully it will not take longer. So let me open it and be confirmed that we have the last annual report. So what you have to do, you have to go through this annual report. You can see this is the cash flow statement, then this is the profit and loss statement. Okay, so this is the income statement actually. Okay, and before that you can see consolidated statement of financial position. So that is actually the balance sheet. Okay, so these are the two things that you have to collect. So for now, keep the downloaded file, but you have already made sure that the annual report is on the same date as you have reported. That is June 30 is the year end. Okay, make sure that your annual report is on June 30 of the last year. Okay, as you can see, it is June 30 of 2019. Perhaps the 2020 financial statement is not yet available in the website, so don't worry about that. You can take the 2019 financial statement, that will be sufficient. So now what you have to do, you have to actually, in this form, you have to right click here and copy the link address. Okay, copy the link address and report it here in this worksheet. So you can keep the downloaded file, that is not a problem. So paste the copied link and click paste values only. So in this worksheet I want this link so that whoever collect the financial statement, okay, if I go to that link, I should be able to find the financial statements. Okay, that is very important. So after you have done that, then your first step is complete. Of course, you can keep the downloaded financial statement file. Okay, this PDF file should be saved in your computer. So I will demonstrate how you will do the next step in the next week. Okay, so ultimately your outcome will be like this: the name of the chosen company, the name of the industry of the company, market category, listing year, web address, then June year end date, then closing price on last year end date, total number of outstanding share, any right issue, that means the year of the right issue. For example, let me go to the Square and let us look at any right issue. As you can see, there was no right issue again, so not applicable. But if, for example, if there was a right issue in 2018, the year will be written here. So in that case, we will actually write 2018. 2018 will be the year of right issue. Let's say the right issue is in 2 years, 2018 and 2016. So in that case, we will type here 2016 comma space 2018 if it is in 2 years. So you already know how to collect the percentage shareholding on year end by sponsored director, government, institute, foreign and public, and then link to download the financial statement of your chosen company. So in this case, because I have not got the link of the bongos, so I have actually cancelled the company, and then I have gone to Square. So in that case, all these information of will be replaced by the information of the new company, that is the Square Textile. Okay, in this case. So I hope that you have understood how to complete this. So after you complete this, shortly I will add another column in this worksheet, and I will either approve or ask you to change the company, and that will be done very soon. Okay, so wait for my reply. So once you are approved, then you will do the next step. I hope it is clear to you. If it is clear to you, then please do it as soon as possible. It does not take much time, maybe 15 to 20 minutes. So do it, complete this step before the next class, and don't hesitate to call me if you need further explanation. Thank you very much.